What's up, guys? This is the Network back with another video, and today we are talking about how to use AI to find and apply for grant funding, the step-by-step, and how to actually train the AI to write your proposal for you. This video is for educational purposes only. We're not promising outcomes. We're showing you exactly how this process could work if you structure it right. If you want the exact prompts we use, or you want us to help you build your grant system from scratch, reach out to the network on Discord, and make sure you follow us on Instagram too for daily breakdowns, updates, and real funding results. Now let's get into it. The biggest mistake people make when looking for grants is thinking that finding a list of opportunities is the win. It's not. The real win is knowing how to apply for them properly. And now that AI tools are publicly available, you no longer need to be a writer to win. You just need structure. Step 1, define who you are. Grants are built around demographics and objectives. They are not just free money for everyone. You have to fit what the grant is designed for. So before you start searching, write out your identity in detail. What city and state are you based in? Are you a woman-owned business, minority-owned, first-time founder? What industry are you in? Is it health, beauty, real estate, tech, logistics, food service? You should be able to say something like, I'm a black woman in Florida running a mobile hair care business that serves low-income neighborhoods. Or, I'm a Latino veteran launching a last-mile delivery company based in Texas. The more specific you are, the more relevant your search results will be. Step 2, train the AI. You're not asking it, what grants can I apply for? That's vague and will waste your time. You tell the AI, I'm a woman-owned mobile skincare business in Atlanta. Show me open grant opportunities that support women in business, startups in the beauty industry, or companies improving wellness access. Include application deadlines, eligibility rules, and the link to apply. When you prompt like that, the AI returns a list that's actually useful. Once you have the list, move to step 3. Step 3. Prioritize the grants that match you best. Pick 1 or 2 from the list and go back to the AI with something like, I'm most interested in grant number 2. Here's what my business is, what I do, and how I plan to use the funds. And then you give it full context. Break down who you are, what problem your business solves, how long you've been operating, how you're different from others, and what your short-term goals are if awarded funding. Then you ask, what additional information do you need to write a full proposal that matches this specific grant? Now the AI becomes your assistant. You're not writing the grant yourself, you're providing pieces and letting it build around those pieces. You're delegating the writing process to software, and you're doing it in minutes, not weeks. This is how people win. Step 4, generate the proposal. Once the AI has what it needs, it writes the first draft. You can then say, shorten this to 500 words, or add more detail about my impact in the local community, or reframe this for a judge who values innovation. That's how you tailor proposals without burning out. Step 5, create supporting documents. Grants often ask for things like one-page business summaries, revenue projections, budgets or financial plans, even pitch decks or founder bios. AI can help with all of that if you give it raw info. If you don't know how to structure that info or what data matters, the network has templates and exact inputs that you can plug in, or we can build it for you. We've helped people prepare grants for coaching, retail stores, trucking companies, vending businesses, beauty brands, and mobile services, all using this framework. And let me say this again, this video is for educational purposes only. We're not telling you to fake anything or misrepresent yourself. We're showing you how to organize and communicate what you're already building. Now, if you want more than just this video, if you want help actually doing this, that's what the mentorship is for. Inside the Network Mentorship, we don't just show you how to apply for grants. We show you how to fund your business every single day with grants, with personal credit plays, with business credit approvals, with liquidation strategies, and more. We give you the prompts, the applications, the templates, the bots, and even done-for-you support if needed. And most importantly, we show you how to turn this knowledge into cash flow. So if you want to stop guessing and start winning, message us on Discord. And follow us on Instagram if you want to see the live results we're getting every week. We post the plays, the approvals, and the wins that come straight from our community. This was the network, and for educational purposes only, boss, and we'll see you on the inside.